Welcome back to another video. We're all headed to a car show right now. We're going up to Malibu, all the way from Orange County. So it's gonna be a little bit of a trip, but I got George over here. What's up, George? What's up? So yeah, I haven't uploaded a video in quite a long time, but that's because I'm kind of lazy. I'm a piece of shit.
Yeah, that's the truth.
Yeah, all those things. No, I've just been like, I haven't been very creative recently, so I haven't been able to think of like video ideas or anything like that. I wanted to film this trip because I don't know, I think it'll be fun. We got a lot of homies with us. So we got Nate up there, and then we got Tio right there. Who else? We got Miguel right there in the GTS. He's the baller of the group. Got a damn brand new GTS. Another FRS, maybe BRZ, I don't know.
Yo. You can't see, but I'm smiling.
Oh. Alright, so we made it to the meet. As you can see, there's a bunch of cars already. Dude, that blue is nice with the acid green.
Is that Miami?
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
That's fresh.
Yeah. What do you think, dude?
That's me.
That license plate, like, it's in really good shape, too.
Yeah, I know. It's hard to tell from back here sometimes.
I don't know. That's a...
Yeah, no, this thing.
This is the last time I'm gonna see this car like this. Brady's actually parting this out and selling it. I forget what he's getting next, but yeah, he's getting rid of this car. George, this is your favorite, right?
19.
We love the 918.
Hybrid.
Little Gardo action. No turbos. Looks dope though.
Oh, that's clean.
M3. This guy's got Apex too.
Hey. Oh, dude. One of his tires is
Oh, he's got the Brembos too? God damn. Nah, he said
He's halfway there. He just needs the rear.
Yeah. Got the front down. Hey, don't hate, get a 3.8.
3 Did you say don't hate, get a 3.8? Shut up.
What, bitch?
Shut up.
You shut up. You look like a damn. You
It's
got
not
a
a
beak.
3.8.
You got a beak on.
It's a 3.8, 6-speed.
Yeah.
No PDK.
Okay.
6-speed.
Like that.
White.
Mm-hmm.
What's up? Where we at?
We're at Neptune's Net, but we can't go inside, so we're getting a drive-through, I guess.
We got the homies behind us. Teal up front.
Hey, pick them.
Give me the.
There's
Damn.
two sides. We just stopped over here, and what is this, Ventura? It's like Malibu, basically.
Malibu,
Yeah, it's Malibu, but we're gonna eat real quick.
Take a
Look at
look.
this. Okay, show me. Ham sandwich.
Damn.
But it's turkey.
Good.
And yes, we're eating on the trunk, but this clear coat is done. You can see right there. Got a clear coat failure. And this
real?
thing's already scratched up. For real, for real.
Oh, for real?
No, not that. Not that. But the styrofoam's fine. And then I got damn fish and chips with tartar sauce.
This man's a baller.
Yup.
He said,
It
let me
was
get
kind of
the-
expensive.
Let me get the fish and chips fresh, straight out the ocean.
Yup, they just caught it just now. And then they fried up real quick. We got Nate over here. Uh-huh. We eating good, that's for sure. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yo, so I didn't see you. So,
Let's go say hi to Nate.
aren't you supposed to be working?
No.
Oh, so why you guys come here?
We're gonna help you work.
That's crazy because I'm not even.
You be good.
You do good, like you good, dude.
Whoa. Hold up, back up.
Let's back up.
Think about what you're gonna say.
Yeah. Back up, think, relax, deep breath.
Yeah.
You do good voiceovers.
You think so?
Yeah, in your videos.
Duru.
You do.
You know,
Dur.
Yeah, in your videos.
George just said he's thinking about Coney Glizzies.
No, I said I would like an In-N-Out burger.
No, you just said you want to go to Sonic again with us and show us how to take a Coney Glizzy to the face.
I don't need it.
I don't know if you said.
We can go to Sonic.
I can
That's
show
not
you,
an
I
issue.
can show you right now. You guys gotta hold it like this.
Oh,
I'm gonna
no.
show you. Like this.
I got the frame. I'm gonna Photoshop that one. Sus.
Controls the narrative, man. Don't let him.
Oh, I'm gonna edit the fuck out of this. You're gonna look sus on my
He
video.
controls the narrative, which means he takes out all his sus shit. You wanna know sus shit? He says, I'm gonna tell you right now, but roll the camera.
Yeah, the camera's rolling.
So Nate, the other day, this one we're sitting quiet. So when you sit quiet, you know, sometimes we get in grind mode. We're in 2 modes. Grind mode.
Yeah, I don't see that often. Yeah.
That's not that often. And then we talk. You know, we talk about cars, whatever. So we're in grind mode, and this dude's sitting at his desk, and he starts going like this. And I go, damn, you got some cheeks over there? And then this one goes, yeah, you're next. Yo, swear, dude.
No, y'all need to get out.
Alright, we'll go. I guess we're not accepted here, George.
Man, he's got to do his work. He's got stuff to do. I'm a guy.
Alright, bye. See you later.